Alright guys, today I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new replacement case for your AirPods, first and second generation. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. So if you lose them or you damage your case, this can definitely be a nice little handy replacement for them. So quick user guide there. And here's the case itself. Looks just like the OG one, which I do have here. So let's go and check out the inside as well. Cool. So let's go ahead and actually pair it to the phone and see how it works. All right, so got a phone here ready to set it up. So I'll go ahead and take the AirPods out of this one and throw them into this one. See, they fit perfectly. Now let's go ahead and actually pair them. All right, so as you can see, I just literally flipped them up. So do you want to connect your AirPods right there? Connect. And then do you want to do like the announce call notifications? I mean, that's just a preference. And there it is. Charging, ready to go. Very cool. So as you can see, very simple. If you guys are looking for just a simple replacement for your AirPods, you lost them or you want to have an extra for whatever reason, you can get this one right here. Like I said, it looks just like the OG one right here. This one will charge your AirPods up to 5 times from 0 to 100. It'll fully charge them within 15 minutes. The case will charge fully from 0 to 100% in about 3 hours. So like I said, very good case. It'll fit in all the accessories that you already have. It still does use your traditional lightning cable to charge it up, just like that. So you don't have to get another type C or anything like that. If you saw this case, it would have used lightning. So this one still uses lightning as well. So if you guys are looking for a new replacement carrying case for your AirPods, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.